Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate list of gadgets that every traveler needs. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road tripper, or an adventure seeker, these top 11 coolest gadgets for travelers all available on Amazon. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 11. Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 Speaker. The Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 is a premium portable Bluetooth speaker that blends exquisite design with exceptional audio performance. Renowned for its elegant aesthetics, the A1 features a minimalist aluminum body and a soft-touch polymer finish, available in various colors to suit any style. Measuring just 13.3 centimeters in diameter and weighing approximately 600 grams, it's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go listening. The A1 delivers impressive sound quality, powered by a 360-degree speaker design that fills the space with rich, immersive audio. With a peak power output of 30 watts and a built-in bass port, it produces deep bass and clear highs. 10. Anker Power Bank. The Anker Power Bank is a versatile and reliable portable charging solution designed to keep your devices powered up on the go. Known for its robust build and high-capacity batteries, Anker offers a range of power banks tailored to meet different charging needs, from compact models perfect for slipping into a pocket to larger units capable of charging multiple devices simultaneously. Equipped with advanced charging technology, many Anker power banks feature Power IQ and Voltage Boost, which ensure fast and efficient charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and even laptops. Depending on the model, they can provide multiple charges for devices. 9. DJI Mavic Mini 4 Pro Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini 4 Pro is an advanced drone that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing under 250 grams, this compact drone is ultra-portable, allowing users to easily carry it for outdoor adventures, travel, or spontaneous photography sessions. Equipped with a powerful camera, the Mavic Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 MP photos, ensuring exceptional image quality. Its enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilizes footage, delivering smooth, professional-grade results even in windy conditions. The drone also boasts advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, allowing it to navigate complex environments safely. 8. Apple AirTags. Apple AirTags are small, coin-sized tracking devices designed to help users locate and keep track of their belongings. Utilizing Bluetooth technology and the expansive Find My network, AirTags can be attached to items like keys, bags, or wallets. When an item goes missing, users can easily track its location through the Find My app on their iPhone or iPad. The device features precision finding, which uses ultra-wideband technology for accurate distance and direction guidance, making it simple to pinpoint the item's location when within range. Additionally, AirTags have a built-in speaker that emits sounds to help locate them. Privacy is a key concern, and Apple has implemented features to prevent unwanted tracking, such as alerts for unknown AirTags traveling with you. 7. Rycoh GR3 Compact Camera. The Rycoh GR3 is a high-performance compact camera designed for photography enthusiasts who prioritize portability without sacrificing image quality. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, the GR3 delivers exceptional detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for street photography, landscapes, and everyday moments. Its compact size allows it to fit easily in a pocket, making it a convenient option for on-the-go shooting. The camera boasts a fast f/2.8 lens with a 28mm equivalent focal length, perfect for capturing wide-angle shots and low-light scenes. 6. Samsung T7 Portable SSD. The Samsung T7 Portable SSD is a compact and high-speed storage solution designed for users who need reliable and fast data transfer on the go. With speeds of up to 1050 megabytes/read and 1000 megabytes/write, it significantly outperforms traditional external hard drives, making it ideal for transferring large files, such as videos and high-resolution images. Available in various capacities, up to 2 TB, the T7 offers ample space for storing important documents, multimedia, and backups. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the durable aluminum casing ensures protection against drops and impacts. 5. MacBook Air M2 Laptop. The MacBook Air M2 is Apple's latest iteration of its ultra-thin laptop, boasting significant enhancements in performance and efficiency. Powered by the M2 chip, it offers a powerful 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, delivering impressive speed and graphics capabilities that cater to both casual users and creative professionals alike. This performance boost is complemented by an improved battery life, providing up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, making it ideal for long workdays or travel. The laptop features a stunning 13.6-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, offering vibrant colors and sharp details, which enhances everything from photo editing to streaming movies. 4. Mahogany for iPhone 15 Pro Case Leather. The Mahogany leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro combines elegance and protection in a sleek design. Crafted from premium, genuine leather, it offers a sophisticated look while ensuring a comfortable grip. The case is tailored specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro, providing precise cutouts for easy access to buttons, ports, and the camera, ensuring that functionality is not compromised. Its interior features a soft microfiber lining that safeguards the phone from scratches and impacts. 3. Sony Dolage 1000 XM5. The Sony Dolage 1000 XM5 is a flagship pair of over-ear noise-canceling headphones, renowned for their exceptional sound quality and advanced features. Building on the success of its predecessors, the WH-1000 XM5 offers industry-leading noise cancellation that effectively blocks out ambient noise, making them ideal for travel, commuting, or simply enjoying music in peace. Equipped with custom drivers and support for high-resolution audio, these headphones deliver a rich and immersive listening experience with deep bass and clear highs. 2. Paralogix Phone Mount. The Paralogix Phone Mount is a versatile and innovative accessory designed for securely holding smartphones in various settings. Whether you're using it in your car, at home, or in the office, this mount provides stability and convenience for hands-free use. Its adjustable grip accommodates a wide range of phone sizes, ensuring a snug fit for most devices. 1. Basis Blade 2. The Basis Blade 2 is a compact and stylish car phone mount designed for convenience and safety while driving. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design, it easily blends into any vehicle interior. The mount utilizes a powerful magnetic hold that securely attaches your smartphone, ensuring it stays in place even on bumpy roads. Installation is straightforward, as the Blade 2 can be mounted on the dashboard or windshield with a strong adhesive pad. Its 360-degree rotation allows for flexible viewing angles, making it easy to access navigation. And there you have it, our top 11 coolest gadgets for travelers, all available on Amazon. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and gadgets. Safe travels, and see you next time.